Hi there. In my previous video, I created a GPU and I implemented it on our test domain. And basically, the GPU was disabling the installation of printers to all users on the domain, right? So any user logged in, they weren't able to add a printer. Alright, let me just show you here. Let's just log back in with our Ben account. Alright. So users, it wasn't given the rights to install printers, right, throughout the entire domain. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to create an OU, an organizational unit, right? So you can see that they're not able to install printers, all users, right? Right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create an organizational unit, an OU for short, to show you guys that by creating the OU, I can add certain users to get access to. I will just use, for instance, adding a printer, right? So whereas all of the users on the domain, they're unable to add a printer, I'm gonna create the OU and create another GPU and add users to this organizational unit, so they will have access to add printers on the network. Alright, so to start this off, I'm going to Active Directory users and computers on our test.local domain. I'm going to new organizational unit. I'm gonna name this admins, right? Click on OK. And our admins, I'm going to create a new user. Let's say I'm gonna call this user Adam. Alright. Password level expires. Put in the password here. Alright, so a new user has been created here. Alright, so he's a member of the admin organizational unit. Right? So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna go over to the server manager, go into features, group policy management, our domain test.local, and here we can see the admin OU has been added. Right? So what I'm gonna do, right click on test.local, you're gonna create a GPU in this domain and link it here. Right, so you're just gonna name this GPU users can add printers. Right, click on OK. Right, so we have user can add printers. We just edit here. Alright, we go into the user configuration policies, administrative template, control panel, see printers. You see prevent addition of printers, right? You double click on this and you click on disabled. Right, so you hit apply and OK. Close that off. Right, now you can see user can add printers. Right, so we're gonna right click on the admin OU. We want to link an existing GPU. Alright, so we want to link the GPU we now set up there. User can add printers. Click on OK. Alright, so as you can see, we link the user can add printers, link enabled, GPU status enabled. Alright, so now everyone in our admin organizational unit can add a printer. So what I want to do, I'm just going to the run line, go into the command prompt, run the GPU update, force to update my group policy. I'm going over to my Windows 7 machine here. Just gonna log off because we have the Ben-Hur account. Just gonna log off here and log in with the admin. Sorry, not the admin. Gonna log in with the Adam account. Right, click on switch user, other user, test domain, Adam username. Alright, so say for instance you want particular users to install printers. Say we want members of my admin staff to install the printers. All we basically do is just add those users to the organizational unit that we created, and we specify the GPU and linked it with that organizational unit, and they would be able to add printers from there. Alright, so we logged in with our our Adam account from our admin organizational unit. If I go on devices and printers, and I click on add a printer, as you can see we are able to add a printer here, right? So our Adam account is linked to our admin OU, whereby I can install printers. Alright, what I'm gonna do here, remember my Ben-Hur account just now? The Ben-Hur, when I logged in just now, I was unable to add a printer. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here, I just want to add my Ben account to my OU. Alright, so the admins, we have the admins here. As you can see, Adam is a user account here. We just want to make our Ben-Hur account using the admin. Alright, as you can see, Ben-Hur now is in the admin account here, right? So say for instance I hired Ben on board in my IT staff, right? Just go back in the command prompt, GPU update / force again. It's updating the policy here again. Alright, so it has been successful. Now I'm going to go back to my Windows 7 machine, log off the Adam account, and log back in with my Ben account. now we will see our Ben account will be able to install printers. Just taking a little while here. Alright, so you'll see the installation wizard comes up here. So our Ben account is now a part of the admin organizational unit, whereby I can create accounts, where I can add printers. I know that's about it for GPOs and organizational units. Thanks.